Hey guys, we received this Sweetfull octopus stroller fan. As you can see, it comes in different colors, but we received the black color one for test and try. So let's open the box and see everything. So this is the octopus stroller fan with a USB charging and the manual that how to operate. So this should be a straightforward process. And then also on different sheets. So let's put it aside. So these are the legs for those this octopus stroller fan that you have to assemble. USB-C cable for charging. So this is a really nice fan here. So for the charging, you have to put it in here. So this is a charging cable. So once charged, you can just put in here. For assembling, you have to put this leg a little bit push and then twist. Once set, this is really ready to use. So you can just stretch and or straighten the legs and then use it in a way you want. So this is a flexible legs that you can use and also have a digital display that will show like the speed or the charging thing. So the good thing is it have a rechargeable battery so that can be used and you can twist these legs. So it's very quite less a fan. Like here you don't hear any noise, and then because as you can see it's a detachable leg, so you can also use it as a tripod. So it all depends on you if you want to just put it on the side or with the stand. With the fan you can see the different speeds of the fan, and then it's a 5.7-inch in the width and um, 7.5-inch around is the tripod, this legs. So it's a really nice fan with everything and can be used everywhere.